So, I'm gonna take a YouTube video and do some repurposing with it. And we're going to use follower, not AI to do so. All right, so just going to log in to the account. And now I want to create some social media content. So post generation. And we want to do it from a URL. So I'm here. Let's open up my video that I want to do it on. So this is my
Hey, Josh here.
video here. So copy and paste that URL. Let's put in our URL here. Let's get 5 options. Instagram post. So it'll extract what it can. And then we can, so it's extracted the description here. And then we're going to generate these posts. It takes a few minutes, and you can change the models up here. So we can add our own API keys. So you can change over these models here, or you can upgrade to use these newer models. All right, so soon we will see what posts it's done. So network error, no worries. Cool. So align your passions with your work. Close, but no cigar. So what we can do is we can get it to regenerate. Regenerate a new creative. Or we can edit this one. Okay, so then to create a new one, just going to create another one like that. And then we're going to make sure that the copy is good, or just read it to make sure that it is factual. A natural product is embarking on a journey to build an online business in freaking systems automation. Cool. All right. So that looks all right. That one looks good. This one not so. So deleting that one. Going to keep that one. Then I'm going to add it for LinkedIn and Facebook because I have those social media as well. It's not a video, so I'm not going to go on TikTok. I could maybe anyway. So save. You can insert tags, but save it once you're happy with it. And get on and having a look at the other one. So unlock your protein tool. All right, so we're going to get another image for that one. Unlock your potential with an 8-hour business training for 7 guide how to build your online venture. Yep, okay. Now we go here, publish, and we can schedule now, or we can let the AI choose for us, or we can schedule later. For this one, I'm just going to choose schedule now. That's published. And this one, that's better. Go back to this one and delete that image now. Make sure that it reads all right. Okay, and then put this on these other ones. And save. And I'm going to do the same thing, same options here. So going to publish, schedule later, and we're just going to select a time for later on. Yep. Okay, and that's scheduled. And basically, you just go through and do the same. If it hasn't generated, like in this case, you're just going to get it to generate again. And just proofread it, make sure that it is on brand. So you have prompts up here in the settings that you can do to make sure that it's on brand. Yep. Okay. So it's going to generate image. Cool. And that's how easy it is to use with follower, at least just for these kind of image-based posts. Cool. Thanks for watching. My name is Joshua Van Veen. Peace out.